Alright, so this is your Freckle assignment where it is the number system. We're going to all be doing a very similar problems to the ones I'm doing right here. So you would have started off with a video. I want you to watch that video. It's going to help you a little bit, but not every problem is exactly the same as the video, and that's why I'm demonstrating. So which of the following expressions has a value of -4? In other words, for which ones is the answer -4? Now I'm going to go to my scratch paper and we'll see -8 minus 4. So we're going to go over to -8. So that's 5, 6, 7, 8. And then now we need to go -4. It was -4. And we know if it was regular 8 right here, we'd go to the left 4 and end up at 3. But we're in the negative side of things, so we are still going to go left, but the answer is not going to be quite the same. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and where we end up is right here at 12, -12. So which of the following has a value of -4? Not this one, because this is -12. I'm going to do B as well. So let's erase these guys. And again, that was 5 minus 9. So we're going to go to a nice positive 5. That's the simple part. Okay, we got here. And now we need to subtract 9. And it was subtracting 9. So we're going to go to the left 9. And we end up at -4. So that's going to be one answer. B is going to work. 1 minus 5. This one you might be able to do in your head. So we go over 1, and then subtracting 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We end up at -4 here as well. So we know that C is one of the answers. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest kind of in my head because I want to get to the other questions without taking too much time. So -8 minus -5, that's going to be the same as addition to minus a negative, or subtract a negative is the same as adding a positive. So this is the same thing as -9 plus 5, and that is going to be -4. 5 minus -1, that'll be 5 plus +1 is the same thing. So that makes 6. That's not going to be the same. It's not going to be what we're looking for. Okay, -7 minus 2. And again, you can draw this on your scratch sheet of paper. So we're at -7, and we're going to subtract 2. So subtracting +2 is going to mean going to the left. So we end up at -9. This is much the same, so I'll do it in my head real quick. -9 minus 3, we're going to go to the left, subtracting a positive. Which answer choice shows the equation below written in a different form? So subtracting a positive is going to be the same thing as adding a negative. We know that from before. And this is actually shown in your first video, so I'm kind of going to go through it quickly. So this is going to be the same as -1 plus -3. Here we go. Which of the following expressions has a negative value? So what that means is we need to find the answer to these. And again, you can use your number line for that. A negative value just means the answer is a negative number. So 1 minus 5, that makes -4. -6 minus -3, that's going to be the same as adding +3. So that will also be negative. This one will be positive, so we don't count it. This one will be negative, so we do count it. This one will be negative, so we do count it. And that's it for my video. I'm running out of time. I can only make them 5 minutes.